So here's the new bushing part that I just made. Here's the old one. This one here's all wore out. The keyway's all wore. This here just kind of flopped around up here on the shaft. A lot of play in it. So I went ahead and located my holes and cut my keyway slot. Made a new key. This one here doesn't move at all. And then over here we got the spring and the coupler. And this here just slides down and over. Gotta spin this until you find a groove. Hardly any play at all. The other one, I just slopped around on here. A lot of wear in there. A lot of use over the years. And then a big gear, big bow gear. The other end of the coupler. They matched each other. Bushing. And then the bearing goes up here. Gotta get a new one of those. This bearing down here fell apart. Gotta get that pulled off. Get a new one of those. Put that on. She feels a lot better though. And my next project is to make this little fork right here. I need a new shaft. The shaft is bent. Get some holes drilled in it. But the fork here is what broke when I took this whole thing apart. Pretty small. I was going to see if we could braze it, but I think I'm just going to use some 1/4-inch steel. Carve this here all out. Take a round piece, round solid, bore my own hole in it. Cut a 1/4-inch groove up here, because the material I have is 1/4-inch. So cut a 1/4-inch groove up here. Pop that in there, re-weld it, slide this back on the new shaft, drill my holes, and should be good to go. Yay, get my rake back.